What's up guys, it's Leah and I am back with another video for you guys today. And today I'm going to be recreating this colorful, beautiful makeup look inspired by the 3 women that I listed down below in my description box. Anyways, if you want to see how I get this colorful look, keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that I did was my eyebrows, and I put a concealer on top of my eyelids, and I'm going to be taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be taking this green shade right here, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners of my eyes. So after that, I'm going to go back in with the same palette. I'm going to take this baby blue shade right here, and I'm going to take this dark blue shade from the 35B Morphe palette. I'm going to mix those two together and put that right next to the green. And then I'm going to take this purple shade in the Juvia's Place palette and put that right next to the blue. And guys, make sure you are blending these colors because you don't want to make it look like you just slapped it on your face, okay? Going back in with the 35B Morphe palette, you're going to take this hot pink shade and you're going to place it on the outer corners of your eyes. After that, I'm going to cut my crease about halfway with the Maybelline concealer in the shade Light 20. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go back in with the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to pack that on top of the cut crease. And I also used some of the yellow from the Morphe palette. And then we're going to go in with the Zulu palette. We're going to take the red shade and put that on the outer corner of the cut crease. And then after that, all I really did was go back in with the Zulu palette and I applied the yellow and orange shade on my lower lash line. And then I took this Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter, highlighted my face, and then I put on lashes and sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water facial spray. And this is pretty much the finished look, guys. Let me know if you guys like it. I love it. Honestly, I think this is like the best look I ever did. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment any looks that you guys want to see me recreate. Any colors that you guys want to see me use in my next makeup tutorials. Don't forget to follow all the people that inspired me to do this colorful look. And I will see you guys in my next video.